Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Savannah and today I'm in my bedroom at college. It's not that cute. I'm not in a dorm like everybody else, so I don't really think I'll be doing like a college room tour anytime soon. I mean, unless you guys want to see that. If you want to see something like that, just comment down below and let me know. But today I was going to start a project in my room and I thought I'd kind of bring you along with me and show you how to do it in case you want to replicate it in your own dorm rooms or in your bedroom at home. So yeah, today I'm going to be making a wall collage of photos on my wall above my bed. I've been inspired by Tezza. She's an influencer on Instagram and she came up with her own DIY collage kit that's like $89. So if you're into that kind of thing, I will link that down below and you can try that out for yourself. But personally, as a college student, I am pinching those bills. So I thought I'd kind of put my own twist on it and try it out myself. And I'll show you guys how I do it if you guys want to try it in your own rooms. So let's just, get right into it instead of rambling for so long. So, yeah, let's get started. This is the wall that I'm going to be using for the collage above my bed. So, I have a lot of blank space. There's a couple nails, like hooks in the wall, but I'm just going to go around them. I'm not going to take them out or anything. But you can do any size you want in your house. If you only have this much wall space, you can do it just like that. But I just have a large blank wall, so I decided I should make use of it. So on Pinterest, I just printed out all kinds of photos, prints, all kinds of quotes, and other landscapes, just kinds of photography things. Pinterest is a good place to do it. You can use your own pictures if you're a photographer, or you can rip out pages of magazines, of fashion magazines, or just like Googling prints, I guess, works too. So wherever you can find just random photos and stuff, you'll need lots of those. I think I printed out around 65, but I don't know if I'll be using them all or not. Whatever covers the wall, I guess, so we'll see how much I use. So along with the prints, I just got this tape at Walmart. It's just double-sided tape. I am planning on putting it on one of each of the four corners of each print. But yeah, I'm not really sure how sticky this stuff is. We'll just have to see how it turns out. Otherwise, I have command strips that will work too, or just regular Scotch tape. But this is my plan A, I guess. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is wash the wall. I'm just going to give it a little wipe down with a washcloth just because there is some residue just left on the wall and we want a clean surface so that the tape will stick. So yeah, I'm going to quick give it a little wipe down with a washcloth and then we'll be good to go.
filming a video. Hey everyone, it's me again.
Shut up.
I'm actually filming. This is not my room, but I have a message for you all. Savannah, you better include this in your video.
I didn't use all of the pictures that I printed out because some of them just didn't really fit along with the others. I made sure to like space out the words, like the quotes, and the subjects. So I tried to have pictures of faces kind of spread out so they weren't too, you know, I needed it to be cohesive. And I just kind of played around with the colors to like make sure they all looked good in the right spots. Like I spread out the yellows and the pinks, I kind of spaced out in the blues. I just kind of moved things around until I liked how it looked. And this tape that I used worked pretty well. I just got Scotch permanent double-sided tape and I put one piece in each corner. I love it already. I'm not really sure how much it costs because I had my mom print out all the pictures at her work. But as long as you have a colored printer, you can do this at home. So I thought I'd give you guys just a closer look at what we have going on here. So I kind of just started about right here, and I just started working in that direction and this direction and kind of upward. And I just went to my heart's content, and I stopped where I felt it needed to be ended. I wanted it not to look just like a big blob. I kind of wanted it to just be like a movement from here to here. So I kind of tried to work with that. Some people don't like the chaotic look of this, and so you can just make sure you print them all the same size and just put them all one next to each other. And then you can go right up next to the crease of the wall and all the way up to the ceiling. But I just kind of liked the more chaotic, unorganized look. Honestly, I love how it turned out. I think it's just so cute, and it just adds a lot of color to my room. And it really brings your eyes upward to the ceiling, so it really accentuates the height of my room. I really like it, and I love all these pictures. Honestly, I couldn't even tell you like my favorite part. Like, I just love it all so much. But I think it turned out really well. If you guys try this out in your own room, please send me pictures or DM me on social media. I have all my accounts linked below. I'd love to see you guys try it out. Also, I might link some videos down below that have similar ideas to this because I got inspiration from other videos. So I will show you guys like their take on it. And yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.